Day 11 Nutcracker Adventure, 24 unique videos, one different video every day leading up to Christmas. How do we feel about doing a simple follow along choreography tutorial? It's gonna be a port de bras with balance, with promenades, very simple and very easy. Let's go to it. And if you feel that you are lost, do improvisation. Classical pose, right leg on the back, arms on allonge, breathe, balance. Balance to the other side. Pique soutenu. And classical pose. Breathe. And one more time. Balance to the other side. Pique soutenu. To the opposite side. Classical pose. Breathe. Port de bras, arms goes to brava. First, fifth. We are going to repeat everything. 6, 7, 8, and let's go. Pique soutenu, classical pose, and breathe. To the other side. Pique soutenu, classical pose. Pique passé to the right. 1, pique passé. Plie, right leg on the back. Pas de bourrée, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, pas de bourrée, en tournant. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, get crazy, get crazy. Stop. Change left leg in front and repeat. Pique passé, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, pas de bourrée, en tournant. Faster, 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 faster. Let's go to the diagonal, to the back, to the left side. Classical pose, right leg on the back. Let's do pas, balance and turn towards the right diagonal in front of us. One more. Pick a fifth position. Let's go to the right diagonal to the back. Classical pose, left leg on the back and repeat the same. Breathe. Let's go. Balance. Balance. One more. Fifth position. Go to the center. Let's do a beautiful port de bras. First position. Brava. Breathe. Right hand up. Left hand up. 2 arms together up. Up, up, allonge, allonge, allonge. Classical pose, left leg on the back. Saute attitude, 1. Chasse. Saute attitude, 2. Chasse. Pique fifth position. Pas de bourrée, don't move. In the place. Chasse. Left leg on the back. Tendu to the back. Breathe, arms. Plié. Pas de bourrée. Fifth position, chasse. To the other diagonal. Arms on allonge. Plié. Pas bourrée. Stay fifth position. Let's do passé. Plié the change to the back. Passé. Plié the change to the back. Relevé. Pas de bourrée. Change legs. Pose. And choose the final pose that you're gonna do. Breathe. And now to finish, we are going to do a bow of your preference with the arms of your preference. That was absolutely amazing. I hope that you subscribe if you're new to our channel because tomorrow there is more surprises coming.